the Tallahassee to St. Mary's Trail. This is just a look at some of the people that came out. It's going to be a fun ride.
Y'all look like y'all were friends.
Family.
Woo-hoo!
Oh, you ready to do another 19?
Sorry.
Well, they don't feel that good then. Okay, all right. Well, we got to put a gauge on how good you feel. Terrence, like a big little brother to me. Terrence, raise your hand, dog. All right, and where's Level Up? I know Level Up's in the house. I don't know how we managed to get the vice president out here. Felicia worked more than a Hebrew slave. And she texted me the other night and said, Travis, I'm coming. I said, what? Is it snowing? The girls out here, y'all. Level Up is in the house. Hey, listen, as people are coming up, I want to make sure. Major Taylor, North Florida, where y'all at? I ain't got enough time to tell y'all the stories about Major Taylor, North Florida, but I will say this. Stay Loud, Tracy, Angel, all them good folks down there, they put on an awesome event called SummerSlam. If you have never gone, y'all, come on, you gotta go. When is it?
This is the Tallahassee to St. Mark's Trail. It goes from Tallahassee down to St. Mark's. It's a straight trail pretty much and flat. There are really no hills. Slight incline, but it's so slight you hardly notice it. The trail is about 12 foot wide and it's 15 plus miles long. By the time you get down there, you're at a coastal town, and it's a very nice ride. You're in and out of the shade. It goes along County Road 363 or Woodville Highway. If you've never been on this trail, it is a nice one to go on, and I would highly recommend it. The group of us that are out riding today are with the Unity Riders for the Takeover of Tallahassee, or Tallahassee Takeover. They do it on a yearly basis. Most of them come from Georgia because they want to come to a slightly warmer, hopefully, location to ride their bikes. Sometimes it's warmer, sometimes it is not. This year it was nice and beautiful.